Hi you guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am taking you on a journey with me to discover which nails are the best to do from home. Nails, nail process. Yes, that's what we're gonna go with. There are so many options out there, right you guys? There's gel, there's dip, there's the fake nails. It's overwhelming if you want to do it from home, and I do want to be able to do it from home because it's freaking expensive. I'm spending like close to $100 a month to get my nails done. So I really wanted to figure out how to do this from home, and I'm excited to show you guys what that process has looked like and what I've discovered so far, and we're gonna do this step by step, okay? We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there together. No, but seriously, it's overwhelming. Let's get into it, but first, if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Me and my sister Maddie review beauty products once a week. We do have a lot of kids, and so we are overwhelmed, but we try to stay on top of it and be consistent with our posting. So subscribe, you won't regret it. We do a lot on hair, makeup, nails, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure you follow us on Instagram. We actually have a lot more content there because we love doing stories and we love finding deals for you guys, and we love showing you our insane lives and just the day-to-day of motherhood. So follow us on Instagram as well. Okay, so today we are talking about red aspen nails. These are the nails that come up consistently when I have mentioned fake nails to people. Red aspen, red aspen, red aspen's the best, blah, blah, blah. So this is what I want to try. I will tell you that I have tried drugstore press-on nails, and I did not have a good experience with them. They got caught in my hair, they didn't last for very long, and they were really, really thick. I felt like they were just too thick. What I do like initially, even before I get into the application, my actual review, I will just say that the thinness of these fake nails, I'm loving. I love how thin they are. They actually, if you aren't really looking hard, look as if you've got dip or gel on. I appreciate that. Okay, so let's get into the application. I'm gonna show you exactly how I put these on and what that process looks like. Let's do it. Okay, I promised you guys that I was gonna let you know what I thought about red aspen nails. My overall review of the nails is that they're good. I like them. So I am on day 6 of wearing these, and just to give you a close-up of what they look like, they're still holding strong. I will say though that they're starting to rise up a little bit. Like I said, this is day 6. So I've gotten like this pinky has gotten caught in my hair. That's like the first time in all of those days, maybe yesterday, day 5, is when it got caught. And I thought, what the hell? I'm just kidding, I didn't. I thought, okay, it's day 5. That makes sense. But for the most part, these have lasted really, really long. You'll see throughout my application that I've pointed out, you wanna make sure that you're getting a nice layer of glue on your nails. And that drill that I showed you guys is key. For any of the nail processes I show you, get a drill at home. A lot of times that one that I shared in this video is on sale. I think I got it for $29. Last time I looked it up, it was on sale for $17. If you want nails to really work for you at home, if you want to be able to do this at home, you need a drill kit. And that one that I shared, you can drill down your cuticle. You can drill down your actual nails. So for instance, the nails that I put on this side ended up being too long. And so I was able to take that drill and really, really drill this down. You aren't able to do that with a file. You would be at it forever. So do yourself a favor and get a drill kit. One negative is, for me, I have and this might not be the case for everybody, but I have very long nail beds. My nails are really long. When I go get my nails done, I do get compliments on my nail beds and the strength of my nails. And so I had a hard time actually finding the perfect sizes. I don't know if you can tell here from looking, I hope you can, but I didn't feel like they actually fit my nail too well. But these are a size medium, and so next time I am going to go for a longer size because I think the longer might fit my nail better. So just be aware, if you do have longer nail beds, make sure you're getting the longer nails. You can always, file them down if you need to. A mistake that I made is make sure you lay out your nails for all of your fingers, not just one hand at a time. Do all of your fingers and then start. I did one hand and then the other hand, and I did run out of certain sizes that I wanted for my other hand. That is one negative I found too, is I think they need more of certain sizes. I wish that they had more options. Honestly, to me, it looks like there was a million pinkies. Like, why was there a million pinkies in here? I don't know. Okay, let's go over the positives though. They've lasted. They've definitely lasted. Like I said, this is day 6 and they're just now maybe starting to rise up a tiny bit. I imagine that these will probably continue to last me for, I think probably a good like 10 days before they start really needing to come off. I think they're pretty. Like I said before, they're thin. And so I'm not getting this like popping out, and apparently that's a patent they have on these, so you're not going to see that anywhere else. That's like Red Aspen exclusive. The other thing I love is that they have a lot of options. So this is like a curved nail, but you can also do square. There's just a lot of options with these from what I've seen. And I've seen people do like one color and then the ring nail will be like leopard or a rainbow, whatever. They are reusable, which is fantastic. That means that I could potentially pop these off and then just glue them on again, and that's pretty amazing. I haven't tried that, so I don't know how well that works, but I will be doing that with these nails to see if they hold up. As far as I can tell, my nails have remained healthy underneath, but I'll know more when I actually take these off. I do love that it came with a file and a cuticle press. I think those are great, but like I said, get a drill. Okay, if you're doing this from home, get a drill. Not only will it shorten the amount of time you're having to spend on your nails, but it will also make any application of gel, dip, or fake nails so much easier and so much better. They'll last longer because you're able to buff. I mean, the drill kit I showed you guys has a buffer. It just has so many things that you're not gonna get with a file and a cuticle presser. Let's just talk about the glue for a minute. The glue seemed to work really well. My only complaint about it is it was hard as heck to squeeze out of there. And so I did end up cutting the top. So I would advise that. Cut that top off. It went on so much quicker. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today for my review of the Red Aspen press-on nails. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and join us every week as we continue to review beauty products that we love and that we are passionate about. We'll see you next time.